Hello, welcome to Engineering Expo 2021. My name is Ross.
I'm Logan.
We are from the Society of Aeronautics and Rocketry. We're here to talk about rockets, how we use them in everyday life. So let's break down this rocket and talk about why they're so cool.
So let's talk about the three basic parts of a rocket, starting with the fins. Fins provide stability for a rocket during its flight by helping it fly as straight as possible and reducing the chances of it spinning. The number of fins a rocket has can vary, but it's usually around 3 or 4. The shape of the fins can also differ from rocket to rocket. These are all things we need to take into consideration during our design process. The material selection is also very important because sometimes the rockets could break. Now that we have some understanding what the fins do, let's continue building our rocket by moving on to the next part, the body. The body of a rocket is a large cylinder, which makes up most of a rocket's length. It contains important flight hardware, such as parachutes to recover our rockets, altimeters to tell us how high the rocket went, and computers that tell the rocket when to deploy the parachutes. As I mentioned, the body is where our parachutes are stored. The parachutes are super important because they allow the rocket to land safely and reuse the rocket for further flights. This is an example of one of our parachutes. This is a smaller parachute called a drogue parachute that comes out at the highest point of flight. Due to their importance, our parachutes go under rigorous testing. The last part of a rocket is the nose cone. The nose cone is in charge of breaking through the air to help the rocket fly as high as possible. The pointier the tip, the better it will fly. And with this, we have our fully assembled rocket.